Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude using the latest 2026 features, allowing you to turn messy spreadsheets into actionable insights in seconds. Let's get into it. First, enable the Spreadsheet Analysis tool. Before uploading your first file, you need to ensure Claude's internal processing engine is active. In 2026, this is managed through the Claude Labs or Feature Preview menu. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Settings. Navigate to the Features or Labs tab and toggle on Analysis Tool or Code Execution. This allows Claude to use a secure sandbox to run Python code, which is necessary for reading complex .xlsx files and performing advanced calculations that go beyond simple text reading. Next, upload your Excel file. Now that your tools are ready, you can bring your data into the conversation. Click the plus icon in the chat bar or simply drag and drop your Excel file directly into the message box. You can upload files up to 30 megabytes in the standard chat. For massive datasets, you can now use the Projects feature to keep your files accessible across multiple chat sessions. If your file has multiple tabs, don't worry. Claude 2026 can now navigate across different worksheets simultaneously. Just mention which tab you want to focus on in your prompt. Lastly, analyze and visualize. This is where the magic happens. Instead of just asking for a summary, you can ask Claude to perform specific data science tasks. Start with a prompt like, "Analyze this file and find any missing values or duplicate rows." Claude will identify the errors and even offer to create a cleaned version for you to download. Ask complex questions in plain English. Which region had the highest sales growth in Q4? Or compare our actual spend against the budget and highlight the biggest variances. Claude can now generate high-fidelity charts. Try asking, "Create a bar chart showing monthly profit trends from the main tab." A window called an artifact will appear on the right, showing your data as a clean, interactive graphic. And that's pretty much it. To analyze Excel files in 2026, make sure your analysis tool is toggled on in Settings, upload your file to the chat, and use natural language prompts to perform math or generate charts. Claude now provides cell-level citations, so you can always verify exactly where the numbers are coming from. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.